Have you accidentally blocked someone on Messenger and now you regret it? No worries, you can easily unblock them and resume your conversations. I'm Emily from Online Help Guide, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to unblock someone on Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then go to Settings. Scroll down. Go to Blocking. Here, you can see the people that you have blocked. You can simply tap on Unblock right beside their profile to unblock them. But remember, if you want to block them again, it will allow you to block them only after 48 hours after unblocking them. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.